Where are all my Niger people? I wanna come closer. Make we discuss something about this pepper soup I want to prepare today. This pepper soup, oh God, the cold here has been dealing with us. And then I decided to prepare pepper soup. And then I got my dried fish. These are the dried fish that I have left. And I saw the crayfish there. You can see this Shaki is boiling already. So, and this is my pepper soup spices right from home, Niger direct. Yeah, those are the ingredients that I'm going to use for this, my pepper soup. So I added a little bit of pepper soup spices. I added more again because I want it to be really tasty. I added Utazi and Nchowu. You know, that scent leaf now, you know it. So it brought out a little bit of, or let's say a great aroma. Yeah, you can see the soup is cooking. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done that. Give this video a thumbs up. Yes, our rice water is boiling. I want to use that spot to prepare a little bit of rice that will be added in the pepper soup. Oh, this pepper soup, don't they enter my eyes already? How is it about you? Do you want to take some? You want to have some? Don't worry, just put your plate out. I'm going to share it right now and add yours to your plate, okay? All right, so this is it though. This is what I'm using to chase away the cold that is dealing with us here. If you know you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments and bye for now.